Hello everyone. This is the 4th event of the Marbolympics. But this is no ordinary event. This event is a collaboration with Randy the Dragon Star. Randy
Gotta watch the
Dragon Star.
Watched it all on the Dragon Song. Dun dun dun. Everybody needs to watch the Dragon Song. Landing.
Here we go. The 4th event we have here is the funnel rally. Marl will be going in races of 8 down these funnels. Top half of each of those races will move on to the next round. In the finale, we will see who will win this event.
Yeah, you see, guys, I'm pretty popular at school because of my YouTube channel, Land the Dragon Song. So, Jack wanted to do a collab. I'm just needs views.
Yeah, I need the views. Let's currently look at the standings here. Peppa Pig is still taking the lead after the 3rd event. Elmo is currently in last place still. Homer Simpson still taking 3rd place. Anyways, let's begin this event. Here we go. Okay, we have our example race right now. Example marbles. Yep, they're off. It's pretty simple. It's pretty simple. All they're doing is really just going through funnels. And whoever finishes first will win. I'm just going to speed this up in editing. Okay, here's our roster for the first race of this event. Here they are, they're off on the course. It's currently me taking the lead into the first funnel. Who's going to get out there first? Peppa Pig's unanimously taking the lead in overall in the Marbolympics, is currently in the lead of this race. We'll be able to catch up. I'm a bit of colliding. There's Elmo currently in the lead. Elmo currently last place overall in the standings and is currently in the lead. He's going to get to this next funnel first. It's a big jumble, but it's Elmo still taking the lead. There's Bentley Chuck waiting last. It's still Elmo in the lead. About to get into the big funnels now. Against the big stuff. It's still Elmo in the lead. There's Cookie in 2nd place. Elmo taking the lead now. Hamlet now in 2nd place. Going into the big funnels, we have Elmo still taking a big lead over everyone. There's Cookie taking a quick route. Cookie is now in the lead. I think Elmo's still going to make it to the next round. Hamlet, out of nowhere, wins the race. There's Cookie in 2nd place. Elmo takes 3rd. Everyone else finishing it. Oh, I barely do not make it to the next round. Here are marbles for our 2nd race.
Okay, I like the song.
The race has now started. We currently have Poe in the lead. Who's going to get the first funnel first?
Then I'm going down the tube.
Here we go. It's Roblox Noob currently taking the lead.
That lime one is in the lead, yeah.
Yeah. Among Us! Among Us is in the lead. Now, Among Us. Quick for that 3rd funnel. And Among Us is... Among Us is doing great right now. Let's look at everyone else in the back here. Among Us still in the lead, but... There's Mike Wazowski and Poe coming in. Poe! Poe is now becoming Sonic here. Poe might win his 2nd event in a row. Poe won the last event. He might win his 2nd one. Poe's doing great out there. There's Among Us. Let's look up above here. Joe Biden's in last place.
Yes, that's why that would happen.
Poe is going to, I think, win the race. No! It's Mike Wazowski winning the race, but Poe still makes it to the final round. There's Among Us, SpongeBob, and everyone else that you currently see is out, including Peter Griffin, this current 2nd place in the standings. is
Imagine we
current.
get copyrighted.
Did I get copyrighted? Yeah. And there's a race. Okay, here we go. Here we are, the final race of this event. And they're off on the course. My camera is doing horrible. Okay, here we are. Toad currently in the lead. Elmo. Elmo is actually taking second place. Here we go, out in the second funnel. Toad. Toad. Speedrunning through that third funnel. Currently still in the lead. There's Elmo. Oh. Poe. Poe is back up in second place, and he might win his second gold medal. Poe is in the lead. He might win his second gold medal in the Marbolympics. Here comes Hamlet up in third place. Hamlet's now up in second place. Toad takes back the lead. We're on the back. Elmo kind of dying down. Toad still taking the lead. Toad might win his first medal, even. Randy, do you have anything to commentate on this?
Yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Randy the Diamond Star.
And Toad is the winner of this event. Poe takes second. There's Hamlet in third, also his first medal. Everyone else finishing up the race. Okay. We're...
Okay, the winner is Toad, followed by Poe from Kung Fu Panda. And third place is Hamlet.
Okay. Yep, Randy, we get it. We get it. You're good. Do you want anything to say at the end here?
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Randy the Dragon Star.
Yeah, I'll link it in the description. As you see with that silver medal, Poe shoots up to the lead, but putting down second place. Toad shoots up 5 spots into third. Peter Griffin slows down into fourth. Homer Simpson so slows down. SpongeBob does not change at all. And Scratch Cat is now the new last place. Poe shoots up a few spots, or 1 spot even. That's about it. Bye. Also, Randy, I'm recording this after. You were kind of bad at commentary. Thanks for being in this collab anyways, bye.
Okay, I'm out. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.